मॉर्निंग व्यू। हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए, और ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद फिर हम लोग ठेकड़ी से निकल जाएंगे और यहाँ से हम जाएंगे अभी LAP। तो LAP यहाँ से पहुँचने के लिए हमको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, मतलब 125 किलोमीटर्स है या 130 किलोमीटर्स है, ऐसे ही कुछ है। तो हम लोग को बहुत देर लगेगा यहाँ से निकलने के लिए। तो हम लोग सोचे थे जल्दी तो निकलेंगे, क्योंकि जाते जाते वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो जाएगा। बट मुझे लग रहा है कि टाइम हो ही जाएगा, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी अभी 9:30 हो रहा है। तो अगर हम लोग 10:30 तक भी निकलते हैं तो मुझे लग रहा है कि हम लोग शाम तक ही पहुँचेंगे। शाम तक मतलब कि आई थिंक 5-6 बज सकता है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। पता नहीं, लेट भी हो सकता है, जल्दी भी हो सकता है। तो चलो चलते हैं, और सबसे पहले कर लेते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट, और उसके बाद फिर हम यहाँ से फटाफट पैकिंग वगैरह तो हमारी हो चुकी है, और अभी हमने सुबह ही कर लिया था, और उसके बाद फिर हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे। तो चलो चलते हैं। तो चलो निकलते हैं अब रूम से। अंकुर रेडी, दीदी लोग रेडी है। चल रूम लॉक कर दे। निक्की चले गई क्या? बाकी सब शायद चले गए। तो चलो, दीदी तो आ रही है, हम चलते हैं नीचे और वेट करते हैं। मोदी दीदी तो रेडी है। हाँ, यू रेडी? निक्की चलना आना, चल। कुछ तो खाना पड़ेगा ना। मैं हम लोग भी वही बोल रहे थे, सॉसेजेस। वो बुला रही है निक्की। चलें हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट हाँ, तो चलना हम लोग ले लेते हैं। हाँ जा, तो क्या लेंगे? बोला तू नहीं। हाँ तुमने श्रेयान डिनर करेंगे अभी। तो ब्रेड लेने गई थी। हाँ, बुला रहे हैं। तुम करो ना। जेमी को लेके गए थे ना? जेमी को लेके गए थे। तो ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह भी हमारा हो गया है, और हम लोग अभी यहाँ से सीधा चेकआउट करके ही निकलेंगे, क्योंकि अभी तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि एक बी फार्म करके वहाँ पे जाके पहले वहाँ जाएंगे, और फिर उसके बाद आके सामान वगैरह लेके चेकआउट करेंगे। बट फिर सोच रहे हैं कि ना चेकआउट एक साथ ही कर लेते हैं। तो इस होटल में ना ज़्यादा फूड ऑप्शंस नहीं था, मतलब थे तो बहुत सारे, लेकिन बहुत ही सिमिलर टाइप का खाना था। तो आज का बुफे खाने में मज़ा भी नहीं आया, सुबह का ब्रेकफास्ट। बट ठीक है, तो अभी तो हम लोग यहाँ से निकलेंगे, और अभी का वेदर बहुत अच्छा है। और हम लोग LAP जा रहे हैं, शायद LAP में हम लोग को ना थोड़ी सी धूप भी मिलेगी, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा मौसम नहीं मिलेगा कि फॉगी हो, थोड़ा सा क्लाउड हो। बट देखते हैं कि कैसा मौसम मिलेगा। और यहाँ पे मतलब यहाँ पे भी उतना ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं है, ठीक है वेदर यहाँ का। और यहाँ पे देखो, मतलब थोड़ा हल्का ऐसा लग रहा है कि ना अभी बारिश हो सकता है, बट अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है बारिश। हम लोग कल सोचे थे पुल में जाएंगे रात में, लेकिन पुल में भी नहीं गए। ओमू दादा बोले थे कि चलो पुल में चलते हैं, बट फिर सब इतना ज़्यादा थक गए थे कि कोई पूल पे नहीं गया। और कल रात को भी ना हम लोग को सोते सोते 12-1 बज गया था। कल मैं सोची थी कि ना रात में थोड़ा सा जल्दी सो जाऊंगी तो सुबह थोड़ा सा नींद भी हो जाएगा तो फ्रेश लगेगा, क्योंकि आज का जर्नी हमारा बहुत लंबा जर्नी है। बट फिर सब बोले कि बैठ के बात करते हैं, क्योंकि अब ज़्यादा टाइम बचा नहीं है ट्रिप एंड होने को, तो इसलिए हम लोग सोचे कि ठीक है बैठ जाते हैं। तो मैं भी थोड़ी देर बैठ गई, तो हम सब बैठ के थोड़ी देर बात कर रहे थे, तो उसी में लेट हो गया था। तो चलो अभी तो चलते हैं, यहाँ से निकलते हैं पहले, उसके बाद देखते हैं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं। तो अभी हम लोग आए फिलिप्स नेचुरल हनी एंड बी फार्म। फिलिप्स हनी, और ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, ये कलर का फ्लावर। हाय, ये है बी फार्म। लेट्स गो इनसाइड और देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है यहाँ पे।
Srihan, what will you do if bees come near to you? If one flies near to you, what will you do? You move away. Okay, that's the best thing. And you should not wave. When we wave our hands, they sting us. Okay. Otherwise, they'll just fly away.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Don't
like
wave your
Srihan, we're telling in the hive there will be 3 type of bees. There will be one queen bee, 10% is male bees, and 90% is female bees. Do you know all who does all the work in the beehive?
The bees.
No.
The female bees.
Yes, the female ones. And what does the male bees do?
They protect the wife.
No.
No.
Okay. Actually, in beehive, we call the male bees the lazy bees.
Lazy
Because
bees,
they
okay.
don't
They do
any work
anything.
here. Yeah. And like the protection, even the protection, cleaning, making the honeycomb, bringing the nectar, all the work is done by female bees. And that's why even as part of the protection, the bees that they sting us, they are also females.
Females only. Okay.
Male bees don't sting. They're poor guys.
Asha, they don't do anything.
They don't do it, and females they do work now, so we can't complain. if they
You're
sting
also, you're also the same.
Yeah, and they're only for the reproduction, the male bees.
Okay.
Yeah, and the queen bee, she is the mother of all the bees, and only she can lay egg. Every day she puts around 300 to 600 egg every day, and she'll be here in this brood chamber. This is called brood chamber.
Okay.
There we can see all the stages like egg, pupa, larva, different stages of a bee will be there, and you can see 2 honey chambers, and only honey will be there.
Okay.
And in our climate, we harvest honey from January to April, 4 months, and we can take once in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once in 2 weeks.
Once in 2 weeks.
Yes, yes. And in totally, annually we get around 10 kilogram to 35 kilogram honey in 1 year. And after that, here the rain starts. You know, after April it will be heavily raining. So we won't take honey. Whatever honey is left in the hive is kept for their use.
Okay.
Actually, honey is their food. We are stealing it.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Then, do you
It's
know
not
that?
yeah. Okay.
We take it into a newer box along with some bees
And how
also.
do you identify that?
We can differentiate that. It will be like a capsule at the end of the honeycomb.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
So by every honeycomb, like the lot of eggs, there
Yeah.
will be 2 or 3 in
Yes,
one
yes,
lot,
yes,
and you identify by the like it is.
It
The
looks
shape.
like a
placed.
capsule.
by the shape, yeah.
And what are the other egg shape?
It's like the honeycomb itself. In you know the
Okay.
honeycomb.
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Inside
Yeah.
that each comb, in these topper 2 chambers, the honey will be there. In the bottom chamber, the egg will be
Egg
there.
will be there.
So it will be like in the form of capsule.
Yes, the queen egg.
Queen egg. There will be like a normal. How is the shape of the honeycomb?
Yes.
So and it's the queen. They always lay on the side of the honeycomb, on the end of the
On the
honeycomb.
end.
End part of the.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And if we don't want to divide the hive, we have to kill the queen cell. If there is more than 1 queen in a hive, there will be fight each other. And the one who wins probably she'll be the new one. And if she doesn't like the hive, she'll fly away. Then we'll be losing the hive.
Okay.
So to avoid that, we divide the hive. Either divide the hive or we destroy the queen cell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And yeah.
Sure. Now you see the bee. Come.
Don't wave, huh?
Just don't wave your hand.
Another thing is that the queen bee, she will come out only one time in 1 year. and that is to for mating. Yeah.
Don't wave, don't do anything. See.
So I'll take one. If we handle them very carefully, they will not
Do
do
anything.
anything. Yeah.
Just be relaxed. They can sense your
Fear.
fear.
Yeah.
Okay. See.
See. So yeah, all these are female bees. In the case of male bee,
Don't
this
wave them. They will fly.
The one which has purple shade.
yeah, there'll be more black color.
Okay, more black.
Yeah.
So these are
So-
female pura.
Yeah, most of them are females. There'll be only 10% males.
Hold.
Yeah.
Hold the bottle.
You can
I'll
hold and
yeah,
take
yeah, I
picture. Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
please put that inside?
You're
Right.
afraid, don't worry.
Nice.
See, they give
So
them
beautiful.
sweet honey, you know.
They give sweet
And you
honey.
love honey, right?
Yes. And if you don't,
Shan, please don't
Don't
move.
wave your
Oh,
hands.
don't
do
wave
that.
your hands.
Shan, don't wave.
Relax, relax.
Don't wave your hands if you don't want to get burned.
Yeah.
You know, don't scare them. They will not do anything. Let me-
It's just soft wax, yeah.
This is hard. The upper one is hard.
Yeah, little bit. We can just
Oh, the queen bee.
No, the queen bee will not
Actually,
come out.
I already have the
queen bee
experience
is
of
down,
this.
That's a
right?
female one, yeah. Anybody else want to take picture?
No, I just want to touch.
Pinky.
No, just close that. Close that. Close it. Then
टच ना कुछ नहीं हुआ ना
Okay, just 1 minute.
लेना ले लेते हैं इसको पकड़ना है
Oh, that's sweet. Oh,
That's
Shan,
honey.
touch here.
धीरे धीरे
the white thing is honey.
I won't.
I'll
know.
help. Don't pull your hands back. Don't relax.
Don't,
Don't worry.
don't. If you get scared, they will do. Then don't do it. They will sting then.
No, no, no.
If you sting, then they
All
will.
fine. See?
Yeah. Come, Shan,
इसको दो ना होल्ड करने के लिए
you hold. Shan,
पिंकी को
I'm not doing
Pinky, you want to hold?
You can taste that. Don't worry.
Ah, that's a pure honey. I want to do that actually.
Okay. Yeah.
I can do it here.
Uh,
Here is it.
yeah.
Here.
Yeah. On the side, please. Yeah. Here, this side. Yeah. Yeah. You wanna do, ma'am?
It's really good, Shinu.
Seriously, it's very good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So the down is the bee.
मैं करूँ
Yeah, yeah. It's same like here, but mostly it's a brood chamber.
Okay.
The queen will be there.
But you
mostly.
don't open that usually.
Yeah, we don't disturb her.
Okay. Right.
She'll be busy laying eggs. No.
Okay.
And on the top is what?
Do you have the
Again,
picture
But do you
of
have
the
any
queen?
other?
Let me check with my husband. Probably. Yeah.
Do you have any other like cell where we can see the queen bee? Like,
He'll show the
We
picture.
will see the picture. Yeah, she'll be double the size of the normal bee, and with her wings will be there with hairy face, and we can
Don't
differentiate.
wave your hand. Don't wave.
Yeah, here actually it's all empty because they started bringing it back. See, so this is all monsoon season, no? See, like very less honey in few
so
places.
Right.
this
Yeah.
is you have kept for them, right? To
Yeah,
have
yeah.
it.
This
Yes.
is.
ഇല്ല കഴിഞ്ഞു Yeah, this is my husband.
Hello from
We are from Bhilai, different
Chhattisgarh,
places
Bombay.
actually.
Different places.
Yeah, Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, and we have the small bee around 6,000 high.
Okay.
And production is like very less. We get like less than 800 kilogram. We get only 200 gram honey in 1 year. In ancient time, we used to keep like this inside the pots like this. It's really hard to open and harvest the honey. So we make new hive with the teak wood actually.
Right.
Highly medicinal. I mean, it's good for him. This helps a lot. Like one spoon of honey with turmeric powder. It's help.
Yeah.
Kids for the kids. It gave more immunity. It's good for the brain development. Yeah. Many researchers are there. A spoon of honey before exam, but you have to learn something. You know? It's good for brain development. For kind of medicine, we use the small bee honey, and honey is available now, like limited stock.
Okay.
And even for cough, diabetic patients also can have a spoon every day from the small bee. It's good actually.
So what's the difference between the small bee honey and
Yeah. So the big bee honey they get it from the mountains at hill station. They can travel maybe 5 kilometers in 1 day. The small bee they get honey from very tiny flowers like tulsi, holy basil, mimosa, tumba. Touch me not. Like very small flowers. That's the reason this is highly medicinal property. Yeah, for the medical purpose we use the honey. Even this is the only honey which we can put inside the eyes for the dry eyes. If you get some heat, we can put a drop of honey.
So the small honey are more like
Yes,
used like a
yes,
medicinal
yes,
property,
yes,
and
yes.
the big bee is like
With a regular purpose, yeah. And for the big bee, we have two strategies. Normally, people like he, a person comes right. He's from Saudi. He gets honey now, and he needs more honey. He's a honey man actually. They don't have the small bee honey there, and their honey is very thick. Our honey is light, and light honey is really good in hot climate. Actually, he placed an order of 1.5 ton
My goodness.
So
We'll package it and then
yeah,
package
we
mix it
normally
with honey.
they do repacking. I love to keep honey in glass bottle, but the people those who come to my home they have to travel. That's the reason in plastic.
Plastic.
Yes, yes. So we ship in containers.
Yes.
And see through. You can take the photo. Come.
Wow.
They are the small bees. You can
These
take
are the honey
Yes,
bees
can I
balls?
close? Can I close?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is how you can come. No.
Yeah.
They're harmless, but you know, they make disturbance. Yes, yes. I have the smell actually. Don't worry.
Don't.
Harmless. Yes. If you love the bee medal.
Don't do.
Okay. Yes.
It will go away.
She likes you.
On your head too.
Yes. No. They will fly actually. They have a puff polish on the legs actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at that.
Why do they like me?
Because you are baby and they are also baby.
Baby!
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Thank you. What's his name actually? Chukku.
Which is the small bee honey?
Oh yeah. You can taste.
No, this is sticky.
Which is more beneficial, like small bees.
You can give it.
Even if it's diabetic also we can use the small bee honey.
This is the small bee honey. This is not the best sweet honey.
Like a bee shape.
Just a drop. Yeah. It's not a sweetie honey.
not
This is best for the medical purpose. And this is the,
Because
Yeah, I'm having
in
it.
early days, like,
But it's nice, you know.
Ah, this one is good.
young and
this is the honey from the bigger ones.
This is too sweet.
Multiple. This is more sweet. The first one is best for the medical purpose.
So now we know
The second one is for the journal purpose.
Yes.
First one.
फर्स्ट वाला थोड़ा सा सार था और ये सेकंड वाला
Which is the actually okay? Tell me one thing. I just want to understand now.
Yeah.
I will take this. Do I have to mix it? It's the
No.
filtered one or
No.
He can have that like generally
Like
what
these get the pure turmeric. I think for him.
yeah.
I have pure turmeric,
Yeah.
but
One
then,
spoon of honey with a pinch of
No,
turmeric.
but
not about
generally he
the-
does it, you know,
the-
as a sweetener also we use it.
So for
can that
example,
be
the
used?
regular honey what we take,
Yeah.
we will take with the oats or something,
What
and
are
we
the
mix it
big
instead of the sugar.
Yeah.
Okay. Like a
I-
sweetener.
I
So the
understand.
regular
Yeah.
honey.
So
I'm
can
saying.
that be-
So that can use like
This
a,
can you can use like you can also use this but costly.
This is what regular one.
No, this is the regular one.
Okay. And
For the
this is
sweetener, you can use this one.
Yeah.
This is for the medical purpose.
Yeah, that's
That's
what I'm
only
saying.
important.
Yes.
Yeah. This is how much?
This is 650 rupees.
And this
for-
one?
तो जैसे कि 2 हनी का बॉटल था वहाँ पे, एक मेडिसिनल पर्पस के लिए और एक स्वीटनर के लिए। तो जो स्वीटनर वाला था वो 650 रुपीज़ का था और जो दूसरा वाला था वो थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव था, जिसको भैया ने बोला था कि ऑन कैमरा नहीं बता पाएंगे, इसलिए मैंने उसका रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं किया है क्योंकि वो बाहर भी एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं उसको। एंड उसका कॉस्ट था अराउंड 7,000 to 8,000 और ये एकदम ही नेचुरल और प्योर हनी था। मतलब जो हम मार्केट से हनी लेते हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में इसका टेस्ट बहुत ही डिफरेंट था और अलग था और टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा था। तो हम यहाँ पे ना नींबू और थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट ले रहे हैं क्योंकि ट्रैवलिंग में ना कभी भी वॉमिटिंग जैसी लगती तो वो फील नहीं होगा, इसलिए मैं लेने आई हूँ सॉल्ट और लेमन। थैंक यू। सो ये सॉल्ट मिल गया है और लेमन आंवला निकाल लेते हैं।
आंवला को लास्ट दी थी मैं आंवला।
ये टी है वो 2 बजे के आसपास में पहुंच। हाँ तो वही ना 1:30 टी हाउस। तो चल अभी तो चल। मैं सब सुन रहा था वो पैकेट तो हिंदी थे ना।
कल है
हाँ तो सेम वेटिंग।
नीचे निकल बी केयरफुल विद द बेबीज।
Cannot do down हाँ। Just to keep it straight.
तो होटल से हमने चेकआउट भी कर लिया है और एलईपी के लिए हम निकल रहे हैं। तो हमको पहुंचते पहुंचते शाम हो जाएगा, मतलब 7 o'clock तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे। तो आज का ब्लॉग मैं यहीं एंड करती हूं। कल आपको दिखने मिलेगा एलईपी के ब्लॉग। तो इस ब्लॉग को कंटिन्यू करेंगे हम नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। तो आज का ब्लॉग मैं यहीं एंड करती हूँ। आई होप आपको आज का ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा और अगर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, फॉलो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। सी यू सून ऑन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बाय बाय।